Hi, it's Natasha from Back 40 Landscaping. Thanks for tuning in to our problems with retaining walls and how to avoid them. Our number 10 problem, which is our last problem, is should I DIY my retaining wall? Now, the short answer to this is no, you shouldn't. So, we can definitely understand the pride that comes with building something for your home and being able to have friends and family over and letting them know that you built this. However, when we have our customers build their own walls, we always get a call asking to finish their wall, and unfortunately, more times than not, that wall needs to be completely redone. So, in the long run, homeowners are not saving money by DIYing their own retaining walls. They're actually spending more because they are having to get their wall completely redone. So we definitely recommend saving up and finding a reliable contractor to build your retaining wall so that you have one that lasts and definitely gives you peace of mind. Thank you so much for watching this series. We really appreciate you taking the time to tune in, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.